Alright, we're still walking. We're gonna see. That was, I think that's the main shell pile we've been seeing over there. Let's see how far we can walk before the sun sets. I know. I'm not tired. I'm good. There's another little shell pile. Oh. Awesome.
Weird, isn't it?
Oh, I think you called me just in time. I would have got wet.
You would have gotten wet.
Would you grab the water, honey?
I'm already grabbed it. Oh, you mean we got
drinking water?
We got too many hard shells. And then start giving them away.
I know. We might have to stop on the fighting conch. We're gonna run out of room for all our shells.
No.
It's already half full, and we're not even to our destination.
No, we'll just stay off those.
All right.
We'll leave them on.
No fighting conchs unless they're dipped in gold. Can't leave those behind.
Well, I will, yeah. I'll dump everything out there coated in gold. I need 50 pounds of gold and I'm happy.
Thank you, honey.
Gold prices are going up.
Pretty sure everyone would be happy with 50 pounds of gold.
No, they wouldn't.
Look at this one.
I am absolutely convinced of it.
All right. So I keep mentioning there's tons of people. Don't worry about it. There's still plenty of shells. Even though we've been surrounded by people, we still find very nice shells. Everyone has different tastes. Everyone collects something different. Billions and billions of shells. Plenty for everyone. It's like that Seinfeld episode. How does it go? Plenty of lobster for everyone?
Yes.
Yes. I gotta put my hood back up. I'm trying not to get my neck burnt.
Those clams I ate, I've never had that kind before. They were more earthy.
Yeah.
Than earthy.
Did you like them?
Yeah, look at this one. This one's just laying there.
That's very nice.
Is that a whelk?
It is a whelk. It is a lightning whelk. Yeah, we went to the clam shack for lunch. It's very good. So today is like New Year's Day. Everything is still open in Sanibel. They did taste like oysters. I particularly didn't like them. I had the lobster roll. It was amazing. But anyway, since Sanibel is basically a tourist town, everything was open today. And Robert did research that before he booked the trip. He wasn't gonna. That is a good one. Thank you, honey. I wasn't gonna come here if we had to cook our own food. I'm not really big on cooking our own food on vacation or every day.
And I wanted to do it like when I was doing it like.
Must resist the. You can take one. We might have to throw some back if we run out of room.
I can't pass that one up.
Well, see, we just have that green shelling bag. Now we're worried we're gonna overfill it. That's how many shells there are. Have we made it to mile marker 6.5 yet?
No.
All right. That's a nice one too. I know you can't resist. He wants to pick it up. Oh, it has a hole in it. Made it life easier for you.
It'll become its own soil, though. That's the beauty of it. It'll enrich the soil.
So last night we made it to marker mile. I think that's mile marker 6.5 up there. Because there's the pink house. Yes.
Who's eating apple jacks?
Okay, I never said anything about Apple Jacks. I said there's the pink house.
Oh.
There's the mile marker 6.5. So now we finally.
I thought you said someone eating apple jacks.
I nope, never once mentioned Apple Jacks. Never crossed my mind. I'm not even for sure I know what Apple Jacks is. Did you just throw a dead crab claw at me?
I did.
That's disgusting.
It's gross. It's horrible.
I don't appreciate it. I'm mad at you now.
See ya.
See ya. See ya. There's another dead crab. There's a broken tulip. Oh man. Just do whatever you want.
I'm not keeping it.
You might have to stuff your pockets later with fighting conch.
Am I?
These fighting conch are nice. They just take up a lot of space. Look at that conch.
Yeah, but they enrich the soil.
Oh my god, I want this one. This one's dark. I
Don't
don't
they
have a
break
dark
down
one.
every time?
I don't really know. Here's a broken, like,
I didn't understand the answer.
fig.
Look at that one. That's an older one.
That's a nice one. Look at this.
that?
Yes, yes, yes. I like that one.
Look
Look at that. No, don't touch that crab. No clucking crabs. What is that? Oh, it's got a hole in it. That's why that's just sitting there. Another nice shell burrow. There's all the people swarming me.
Oh, that's one of those shells.
That's a piece of a pin shell.
Yeah.
Not a dollar bill.
It is nice something like this color.
Oh, yeah, look at that. Thank you, honey.
Is that right?
Yeah, it's an empty world.
That's a real beauty.
I know. Can't believe it. I know you want it.
I think there's somebody in there.
Then throw them in the water. I don't know. Oh, there's birds. Those were cool. I know. We do have a problem. We have a big problem.
Is that the stick I put you with?
I hope not. It looks like a big stick. You're very funny. I think I used to have that iguana shirt that guy's wearing. I said, I think I used to have that iguana shirt that guy's wearing. I had a pet iguana in college. And then I let my mom watch him, and she killed him. So, and she said it was by natural. I don't buy it. What's a sponge?
Yes. Is that sponge?
That's probably.
No.
Yeah, that looks. That's it. I think it's a type of sponge. Smell it. Does it stink?
I'm
I'm not smelling it.
picking up some red piece of.
Well, you don't know if it stinks if you don't smell it. I don't know. Did I just walk right by that?
Yeah, you did. It's sitting right here. I'm not taking it.
Take it.
No, I don't want it.
All right.
I don't want it. I
You
don't
still got a little room left.
No.
All right.
There's so many of them here.
He's exercising willpower.